Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Chapter 9, some application of trigonometry. Some application of trigonometry. Trigonometry you have already know. And some application, that means here we will find that is the height of any object or anything. Base also can be find. And then that one hypotenuse also. So 9.1, only one exercise here. A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stitched and tied from the top of the vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by rope with the ground level is 30 degree. That is one question. That is A, B, C, and then 20 meter. That is a high building resistance 90 degree. So what we need to find that here? Height. Height means h. That one we need to find. Let height is equal to h. So here you will remember always P B P upon H H B. So that is sin cos 10. Sin cos 10. In previous chapter you have already studied this one. So that what thing we will apply here? Sin cos 10. This is the main problem. So first of all we will see the question. What is the given thing and what we are finding? So given thing is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse and we are finding that height. It means a perpendicular. So that is perpendicular and height is given in sine. So we will apply here sin theta. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So theta angle is given there 30 degree and then perpendicular is, that is we have read here h. So that hypotenuse is 20. So that value is under sin 30 is 1 upon 2. That is h upon 20. So cancel 2 1 2, 2 10. So by cross multiply h is equal to 10 meter. It means the height of the pole is 10 meter. Second question, that a tree break due to storm and broken part bend so that top of the tree touch the ground, making an angle 30 degree with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touch and ground is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. So that is a tree, and this is also the part of the tree. This both part are the tree part. So B C A, and then angle is making 30 degree. 30 degree. Or then base is given 8 meter. 8 meter. So we need to find this one also, this one also. So base is given. So first of all we will find this one. So here we will apply perpendicular and base. So we will apply here tan theta. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. So tan 30 degree is equal to that perpendicular is AC upon 8. So that tan 30 value is 1 upon under root 3 is equal to AC upon 8. AC upon 8. And then after we'll cross multiply. So that will be AC is equal to 8 under root. AC is equal to 8 upon under root 3. We find AC here, and then after we'll find this one. So this and this, it means cos, because base and hypotenuse is given here. So cos theta is equal to B upon H. So cos 30 degree is equal to base is, that is 8, and hypotenuse is, we need to find AB, that is AB. So that now the cos 30 value is under root 3 upon 2 is equal to 8 upon AB. So that AB is equal to 8 to 16 upon under root 3. Now the height of tree. Height of tree. The both part is the tree part. So that add the both. 8 upon under root 3 plus 16 upon under root 3. So that under root 3 is LCM. So 8 plus 20, 24. And then under root 3 is here. So we will rationalize that one. So that will be 24 under root 3. Oh sorry. Yes, so 3 8 ja. So that final answer is 8 under root 3 meter. This is the height of tree. And then a constructor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. For the children below age 5 years, she prepared to have a slide above whose top is at height 1.5 meter. So that is third question. So first slider is that one, and then for 5 years that height is 1.5 meter. 1.5 meter. A, B, C, and then in inclined angle 30 degree, that is a 30 degree. Where for elder children, she went to have a steep slide at a height of 3 meter. So next slider that will be 3 meter height. Then we can write P, Q, R, that is a 90 degree. There is 60 degree to ground, that is a 60 degree. And then what should be the length of slide in each case? So I am explaining here only first case. So you will write in triangle A, B, C. We need to find that one, hypotenuse. So that, and then perpendicular is given. Perpendicular and hypotenuse is that in sin theta. So sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular upon base. So that will be sin 30 degree is equal to perpendicular is 1.5. Sorry, perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and then hypotenuse is AB, that is hypotenuse is AB. So that value is 1 upon 2 is equal to 1.5 upon AB. So by cross multiply, AB is equal to 3 meter. This is the answer. Similarly you will be do in the second case. Only different is this thing, that angle is different, and then this one height is different. Fourth question, the angle of the elevation. What will be the elevation angle? Elevation plane of the top of tower from a point on ground which is 30 meter away from the foot. That is a tower, and then this touch point is that 30 meter. We can write name A, B, C, and always from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of tower, that is 30 degree. 30 degree. So what is the elevation angle? This is the elevation angle, and this angle will be depression angle. So elevation angle, no problem, will be there. So we need to find that height of tower. So that one thing we will need to find. So base and perpendicular, where is she? In tan theta. So tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. So tan 30 degree is equal to perpendicular is h upon that 30 meter. So tan 30 value is 1 upon under root 3 is equal to h upon 30. No need to write meter in calculation. And then by cross multiply, that will be under root 3 h is equal to 31 30. So h is equal to 30 upon under root 3. By rationalization, that will be h is equal to 30 under root 3 upon 3 10 ja. So that h is equal to 10 under root 3 meter. This is the answer. And then question number 5. And then question number 5 you will be see. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. That is a fifth question. A kite is 50 meter above on the ground is flying. The string attached to the kite in temporary tied to a point on ground. So that stitch is tied on the ground. So that will be also joined. That will be 90 degree. The inclination of string with the ground is 60 degree. So that is a 60 degree also. Find the length of the string assuming that there is no slacks in the string. So we need to find that thing, hypotenuse. So that will be A, B, C. So perpendicular given, hypotenuse we are finding. So that will be sin theta. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So that sin 60 degree is equal to perpendicular is 50, and then that is hypotenuse is AC. So sin 60 value is that under root 3 upon 2 is equal to 50 upon AC. So that will be, that is a 60 meter, sorry, 60 meter is that, 60 meter, 60 meter is that. And then by cross multiply, that is under root 3 AC is equal to 62 is 120. And then AC is equal to 120 upon under root 3. So by rationalization of denominator, that will be 120 under root 3 upon 3. So 3 4 ja, that is 40. So 40 under root 3 meter. This is the length of the string. The sixth question. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at the some distance from 30 meter tall building. Sixth question. That this is the 30 meter building, and then 1.5 meter boy, that is 1.5 meter boy is standing the front of that one. The angle of the elevation from the eyes to the top of the building, eyes, that is a eye. So that is a 30-degree angle. That is 30-degree angle. And then increase from 30 to 60 as walk toward the building. If he will be toward the building walk, then angle after some time that will be 60 degree. 60, this is a 90 degree, 60 degree. So find the distance walk toward the building. So how many distance boy has traveled? So that we can write here, this one is a x and this is the y, and this is actual distance. Now the calculation distance is that one, the calculation height is that will be, this is distance up to here, and that will be 28.5, that distance, because of 1.5 meter tall boy is subtracted from 30. Now in triangle A, B, C, D. So first of all we will see that in triangle BCD, that is we are finding the base and perpendicular is given. So tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. So that tan 60 degree is equal to perpendicular is 28.5 upon that is y. This we have supposed. So tan 60 value is under root 3 is equal to 28.5 upon y. So that y is equal to 28.5 upon under root 3. That rationalization, that will be yes, y is equal to 28.5 under root 3 upon 3. So 3 9 are 27 and then 3 5 ja. So that y is equal to 9.5 under root 3. Now that in triangle ABC, in means that one triangle. So this one triangle. So that again tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. So tan, now the tan value is tan 30 is given there. Perpendicular will be same upon base will be now x plus y. So that tan 30 value is 1 upon under root 3 is equal to 28.5, and then x value is we have find, and then y value we have already find 9.5 under root 3. Then by cross multiplication x plus 9.5 under root 3 is equal to 28.5 under root 3. Then that will be go that side, x is equal to 28.5 under root 3 minus 9.5 under root 3. So that subtraction, that will be that 19 under root 3 meter. 19 under root 3 meter. That means boy has traveled 19.3 meter from here to here. And then 7th question, that is from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of a transmission tower fixed at 20 meter high building are 45 and separately find the height of the respectively find the height of the tower. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of the transmission tower. So that is this is the building and this is the tower. So that from a point that made two angles, one angle and another angle. This is the bottom of the tower, this is the top of the tower. And then what's given there? 20 meter high building. The building height is 20 meter. That's up to here only. And then first angle is that 45 and then second is 60. That is a 45 and then that is a 60 degree. So A, B, C, D. So we need to find that find the height of tower. So that thing we need to find that. Now in triangle ABC, that we need to find that one. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. So tan that is a 45 degree is equal to perpendicular is 20, a base is AB. So that tan 45 value is 1 upon AB. So AB बन जा AB is equal to 20. That we have find here 20. Now we will take the ABD. In triangle ABD, same thing, tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. Now tan, that is 60 degree, is equal to perpendicular is 20 plus h. 20 plus h upon base is, we have already found AB 20. So that value is under root 3 is equal to 20 plus h upon 20. Now that by cross multiply, that will be 20 plus h is equal to 20 under root 3. So that h is equal to 20 under root 3 minus 20. So that h is equal to 20 is common. So under root 3 minus 1. That is the height of the tower. That is meter. Now that next one, 8th question. A statue 1.6 meter tall. That is the same question like this is 7th question. So I will be explain only here and then after you will be solve that 8th question. A statue 1.6 meter tall stand on the top of the pedestal like this. This is the pedestal and this is the statue. That is a 1.6 meter. And then from the point on the ground, angle of elevation is the 60 degree. Top of a statue is 60 degree. That is 60 degree. And then from the point on the ground, the elevation angle of top of the pedestal is, and the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. This is the 90 degree. So that we need to find that height of the pedestal. So we need to find that one thing. So this one A, B, C, this will be D. So first of all you will be apply in triangle ABT. Similarly like this ABC, and then after you will be apply ABC. So their answer will must become okay. See that in triangle ABD, tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. So tan 45 is equal to perpendicular is that we have written here h upon base is AB. So that 1 is value of that one. So AB. So AB is equal to H. Now in triangle ABD, again tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base, so tan 60 degree is equal to perpendicular is H plus 1.6, and then base is AB. AB we have already found here H, so we have written H. So tan, first of all write that one AB. So tan 60 value is under root 3 is equal to H plus 1.6. AB value we have already found here H. So by cross multiply, under 3 H is equal to H plus 1.6. So this will become here, so under root 3 H minus H is equal to 1.6. So H is common, so that will be 1.6. H is common, so it will be under root 3 minus 1 is equal to 1.6. So by H is equal to 1.6 upon under root 3 minus 1. So by rationalization, under root 3 plus 1 upon under root 3 plus 1. So that will be 1.6 under root 3 plus 1. So that will be 3 minus 1 by multiply, that 1.6 under root 3 plus 1, that is 2 decimal 8 ja. So H is equal to 0.8 bracket under root 3 plus 1. This is the height of pedestal, meter. Ninth question. The angle of the elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. So that question ninth, suppose this is the tower and this is the building, that is a 30 degree, and then the angle of the elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. So that is a 60 degree. If the tower 50 meter above, find the height of building. So that is a 50 meter. This is the tower. So A, B, C, D. So first of all we will apply this one, BCD. So in triangle BCD, tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. So tan 60 degree is equal to, that perpendicular is 50 or base is BC. So tan 60 value is under root 3 is equal to 50 upon BC. So BC is equal to 50 upon under root 3. And then after, in triangle ABC, again tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. So that is tan 30 degree is equal to, that perpendicular is, that we can write here H. So H upon base is BC. So that 30 value is 1 upon under root 3 is equal to that H. H upon BC is, we have already found here, 50 upon under root 3. So by cross multiply, under root 3 H is equal to 50 upon under root 3. Again by cross multiply, 3H is equal to 50. So that will be H is equal to 50 upon 3, or you can write in mixed fraction also, that 16 whole 2 upon 3 meter. This is the height of building. 10th question. Two poles of equal height are standing opposite each other. So two pole is there by equal height, like this one pole and this one pole. that height is h. And then either side of a road which is 80 meter wide, that is 80 meter. Wide from a point between them on the road, like this point we can take. The angle of elevation of the top of the pole is 60 and 30, that is 60 and 30. Suppose this is the 60 and this is the 30 degree, so that will be 90 degree. Find the find the height of the pole and distance of the pole from the poles. So we need to find this one also, this one also. So we can write here x, y. This is a let. So that will be A, B, C, D, E. So that will be not x, y. So suppose this is the x, so that will be 80 minus x. Or no need to write that one. We can write here y also. No problem will be there. No, that will be right. Must be right. Suppose this is the x or this is the total is that one. So this will be 80 minus x. 80 minus x. DC will be 80 minus x. Now in triangle. In triangle, that will be A, B, C. That will be tan theta. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. So that is tan 60 degree is equal to perpendicular is h upon base is BC. That we can write first AB upon BC. So 60 value is 103 and then h is A and BC is x. So by cross multiply h is equal to under root 3 x. Now in triangle CDE. In triangle CDE, tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. So tan, that is 30 degree, is equal to that perpendicular is DE upon that base is CD. And then here is a tan 30 value is 1 upon under root 3 is equal to E is h, or we can write here directly h. On that one we will write base is 80 minus x. So that 80 minus x. So that will be under root 3 h is equal to 80 minus x. So h value we have already here find. Under root 3 multiply under root 3x plus x is equal to 80. The multiply of that will be 3 plus 1 4. 4x is equal to 80. So then 4 2 ja 20. So x is equal to 20 meter. The first distance is 20 meter. First distance is 20 meter. Then we will see the second distance. So that height we will apply. So that will h is equal to we have already here. So h is equal to that is under root 3x. So that is under root 3 multiply x value is 20. So that 20 under root 3. That is a height. Answer, second answer. And then second base, that will be CD. CD is equal to 80 minus x. So that 80 minus 20 is equal to 60 meter. This is a also answer, not is a that one. Now the 11th question, diagram is already given here. 11th question, diagram is already here given. So that first of all we will do that like draw the diagram. That is 90 degree. A, B, C, D, that is the 30 degree, and this is a 60 degree, and then this is the 20 degree, 20 meter from here. Okay. A TV tower stand vertically on a bank of canal. From a point on the other bank directly opposite the tower, the angle of elevation at top of the tower is 60 degree from the another point 20 meter away from the point of that lies joining this point on to the foot of the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 meter. Find the height of the tower and width of the canal. So we need to find that one and this one also. So first of all we see that in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, so that is tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base, so that tan 60 degree is equal to that perpendicular is h upon base is x, so that is value under root 3 to h upon x. So by cross multiply that h is equal to under root 3 x. Now in triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, again tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. Now tan theta is tan 30 degree is equal to perpendicular is h upon base is 20 plus x. 20 plus x. So its value is tan 30 value is 1 upon under root 3. So that h value we have already under root 2 3x upon 20 plus x. So by cross multiply that is 3x is equal to 20 plus x. Now that 3x minus x by interchange that 20. So 2x is equal to 20. So that 2 tens are 20. So x is equal to 10 meter. That means the width of canal is 10 meter. And then we need to find the height of tower. So height of tower, that means we have already find under root 3x. So that under root 3 multiply 10 is equal to 10 under root 3 meter. This is the height of tower. And then question number 11. From the top of 7 meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of the cable tower is 660 degree and the angular depression of the foot is 45 degree. So that is a 11th question. 12th question. That is, this is a tower or this is a 7 meter building, and then that top is that making the angle that is 60 degree, and then foot angle is making that is depression angle, that is 45, so that will be also 45. So that we will write the name like this: A, B, C, D, E. So first of all we will do in triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, that will be tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. So that is tan 45 is equal to perpendicular is that is 7, and then base is BC, that will be also 7, or this can be write h. So that, or we can write this one is x. So we will write here x. So that 45 value is, we know that is a 1. Value we know that 1 is equal to 7. So x 1 ja x is equal to 7. So x is equal to 7 we have find here. We need to find determined height of the tower. So this is the 7. So that will be also 7. Now in triangle ADE, in triangle ADE, tan theta is equal to that P upon B. So tan 60 degree is equal to P is, now that H upon B is that one, same thing, that one AD we can write first here, AD. So that under root 3 is equal to H upon AD we have already find here 7. So that by cross multiply H is equal to 7 under root 3. 7 under root 3. Now this is the also part of the tower. So height of tower is equal to that 7 under root 3 plus 7. So 7 is common, so under root 3 plus 1 meter. This is the final answer. Now 12th question has done. 13th question. That diagram is given. 12th has done. 13th question. That diagram is given here. Observe from the top of the 75-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angle of the depression two ship is 30 and 45. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of a lighthouse. So that 13 question, this is the lighthouse, this is the first ship, this is the second ship. So that height is 75 meter, that first angle is depression angle. The depression angle that will be this one. So this is the 30 degree, so this will be also 30 degree. By alternating, if this angle is 60 degree, so that will be 60 degree. So that A, B, C, that will be D. Now we need to find the distance between the two ships. Distance that will, this one distance we will find. So we can write this one X, this one can be write Y. So first of all we will take this one in triangle BCD. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. Now that tan theta is 60 degree. Tan theta is equal to 60 degree is equal to that perpendicular is 75 and then base is Y. So that value is under root 3 is equal to 75 upon Y. So by cross multiply Y is equal to 75 upon under root 3. By rationalization that will be Y is equal to 75 under root 3 upon 3. So Y is equal to, that will be 75, 25 under root 3. Y we have already find here. Now in triangle ABC, tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. So that now angle is 60 degree, 30 degree is equal to perpendicular is 75 and then base is x plus y. So tan 30 value is 1 upon under root 3 is equal to that 75 upon x we need to find, and then y we have already find here 25 under root 3. So by cross multiply x plus, so 25 under root 3 is equal to 75 under root 3, and then x is equal to 75 under root 3 minus 25 under root 3. By subtraction of that one, that will be 50 under root 3 meter. That will be the see that again here repeating again, that is the high lighthouse 30 and 45 degree, that one, not a 60 degree, that is a 45. So 45, that will be 45, that will be 1. So y is equal to will be that one 75. Y will be 75. Y is equal to 75. So that will be 75. and then this will be 75, this will be, that will be under root 3, this will be 75, and this will be 75, so that that will be x is equal to 75 is common, so that under root 3 minus 1 meter answer. Okay, and then 14th question. That diagram is given here, that this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, and 1.2 meter tall girl is there, and 1.2, and then this is total height, distance height is 88.2. So we need to find that 1.2 meter tall girl spot a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal line at the height of the 88.2 meter from the ground. The angle of elevation of the balloon from the eye of the girl at any instant is 60 degree. That is 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree, and then after some time the angle of the elevation reduced to 30 degree. After that, that is 30 degree. 30 degree. Find the distance traveled by the balloon during the interval. So we need to find that one x. So this one also we can suppose that one y. So actual calculation distance is, that is 87. 87 because 1.2 meter tall girl subtracted from that one. So we can write here, that is ABC, A, B, C, D, E. So in triangle A, B, C. If 87 is this one, so this one will be also 87. That will be also 87. So that first of all, that one in triangle ABC, so that tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. So tan, that is 60 degree, is equal to perpendicular is 87 upon base is x. So this value is, find the distance traveled by the balloon. So we need to find that one y. So tan 60 value is under root 3 is equal to 87 upon x. So x is equal to 87 upon under root 3. So under root 3 by rationalization, that will be 87 under root 3 upon 3. 3 2 ja 6, 3 9 ja 27. So x is equal to 29 under root 3. But we need to find y. So now in triangle CDE, tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. So tan angle is 30 degree is equal to perpendicular is 87 upon that base is x plus y. So tan 60 value is, we know that under root 3, 1 upon under root 3 is equal to that 87 upon x value we have already found here, 29 under root 3 plus y. So by cross multiply, 29 plus under root 3 plus y is equal to 87 under root 3. So that y is equal to 87 under root 3 minus 29 under root 3. So y is equal to, that subtraction is 17 less 9, 8, and then that is 7 less 2, 5 under root 3 meter. This is the answer. Now the second last question, that will be 15th question, that a state highway lead to the foot of the tower. A man standing at the top of the tower observe a car at an angle of depression of 30 degree. So that is 30 degree. 30 degree. We can write here name A, B, C. 30 degree, which is approaching the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. 6 second later, 6 second later, angle of a depression angle, that is 30 degree. So that will be also 30 degree. 6 second, the angle of depression of the car found to 60 degree. So that will be after 6 second, that will be 60 degree. So that will be also 60 degree. So we can, that one point is D. Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from the train. So we will need to find that one, Y. So this is the, suppose X, Y, and that is H, suppose. So this distance taken in 6 second. 6 second also we can write here. So first of all we take triangle BCD. In triangle BCD, tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. So tan, that is 60 degree, is equal to perpendicular is H, base is Y. The value of that one is under root 3 is equal to H upon Y. So that H1 ja H is equal to 3Y. Now in triangle ABC, so that tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. So tan that is 30 degree. 30 degree is equal to perpendicular is that one H upon base is X plus Y, that is now X plus Y. So that under root 3 value is, 30 value is under 1 upon under root 3. H we have already find here 3y, sorry, under root 3y, under root 3y upon x plus y. By cross multiply, that is 3y is equal to x plus y. So 3y is equal to, minus y is equal to x. So that is 2y. 2y is equal to x. So y is equal to x upon 2. Y is equal to x upon 2. So x value, so time is equal to time of that distance covered, x distance covered by 6 seconds, so that is 2 3 ja, so that 3 second. Now the last question, 16th, the angle of the elevation of the top of the tower from the point of the distance of 4 meter and 9 meter. So that is 16th question, that is, this is the height, and then first is this one angle and second is this one angle. This is the 4 meter up to here, that is ABC, that will be D, and total distance is 9 meter. Okay, distance of 4 meter and from the 9 meter from the base of the tower and the same straight line and the are complementary, prove that height of the tower is 6 meters. So this one is a 6 meter. We need to that. Complementary means that is, suppose that is a angle theta, so that will be 90 minus theta, because that is a complementary. So that first of all we will take that in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. So tan, again theta is here, already theta is there, so theta height upon h. This is the first equation. Now in triangle ABD, tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. So now that angle is 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta is equal to perpendicular is h upon base is now 9. Now tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Cot theta is equal to h upon 9. Cot means we can write that is 1 upon tan theta is equal to h upon 9. That second equation. That is second equation we can see here, because now we are very near to complete this exercise. Equation first multiply second. So that first is tan theta multiply 1 upon tan theta is equal to, that is h upon 4 multiply h upon 9. So that 10 cancel by 10. So 1 is equal to h square upon 36. So h square is equal to 36. So that h is equal to under root 36. So h is equal to square root of 36 is 6 meter proved. That is the answer. Okay.